Hey, my friend Daniel here. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're diving into the myEcon products and services. In other words, what products and services are available to you when you activate your myEcon membership. So if you're just checking this video out, you're looking at myEcon as a viable source to make money online, or just looking to partner with a great team inside of myEcon, you have reached the right video. My team and I are the fastest and largest growing team inside of myEcon. I am an infinity with myEcon, which is one of their top ranks. And when you watch this video all the way through, you're going to have an understanding now of what the products and services are that you actually get. So it's not just about making money online. You can actually utilize the products and services that myEcon offers to put more money back into your wallet, back into your bank account, because that's what myEcon is all about, helping you increase your cash flow, period. End of story. So not only can you see it right here on your screen, what you get for the money, but I'm also going to dive into the members area so you can see once you activate your membership, what you're actually looking at. So there are two membership levels that you can select with myEcon. One is either $40 a month or the other is $60 a month. If you want to take a look, link in the description down below, and I break them down for you and also let you know what you get when you partner with me and my team, which is over $10,000 in free value. We literally give you a done-for-you front-end system, which is an app where you can run your entire myEcon business from an app on your phone, which provides for you all of your training, your sales funnels. We do the email marketing for you, and it's literally everything you need. You can even follow up with your leads right from your app, and you get real-time lead notification when someone goes to your myEcon sales funnel. They're watching a video sales presentation about your myEcon business, and you get to follow up with that lead in real time. So let's break it down for you. What you get with the $40 per month membership. Okay. Number one is your income shifting tax strategy. In other words, we help you correct your W-4 so you can put on average about 10 to 15% more in your paycheck. So you're getting more during the year. And at the end of the year, you're getting less back in taxes. At the end of the year, ultimately, your goal is you do not want to be getting a tax refund. That basically means the government took too much money from you. And that's what you don't want. A lot of people, hope and pray for a really big refund, but it just means if you're getting a larger refund, it just means the government took more money from you when that money should have gone to you. We show you the right way to fill that out, help you put more money back. And you could literally, without promoting myEcon, you can give yourself maybe up to a $500 increase per month in your paycheck just by being a member of myEcon and learning the right way to use this income shifting strategy. So that alone is worth the price of admission right there. Now, you also get access to their credit system. Plain and simple, we show you how to fix or repair your credit. You can go from poor to fair, fair to good, or even good to great in some case, okay? Now, you also have the Cash Flow Manager. This is an app that you can utilize on your phone that's going to help you record all of your transactions that you use for your business. Every time you do something that's for your business, if you're talking about your business, as an example, out at a lunch event, now that becomes a business event, and that can be written off as a tax deduction. So yes, because you become a member with myEcon, you are now a home-based business owner, and you have access to over 200 different tax deductions to help you, again, put even more money in your pocket, because myEcon is all about helping you increase your cash flow. And when you learn these strategies, you're going to see how effective they really are. Debt elimination software, plain and simple. We're going to help you, if you have debt, eliminate your debt, do it the right way, and again, increase your cash flow. Okay. Investment education training. We all know that education online is a billion-dollar business. People are paying hundreds or thousands of dollars, sometimes tens of thousands of dollars for online education. We're going to save you the trouble of having to go buy courses to learn how to invest your money the right way. And myEcon is going to show you how to get your money making more money for you. There is incredible training here that shows you this. And again, this is all simple and easy to do strategies that you can learn starting today. Now, once you get to the $60 a month membership level, and you can upgrade at any time, or you could just come in at that specific level, you're also, in addition to everything that I just shared with you, you're also going to get access to the Zingo Travel Club. So this is a travel engine that you most likely have not heard of, but I can guarantee you that this travel engine will save you over any public price because you are guaranteed to save money. Literally etched in stone, you're guaranteed to save over any public price. So if you're shopping for travel, whether it be a hotel, a plane flight, a rental car, a cruise, whatever it is for you and your family, if you find a cheaper price elsewhere, they will literally pay you the difference. Can you beat that? No, you cannot. Also, with their travel engine, you can earn points. Every time you earn points, you can put that towards future travel. And over time, you can travel for free. Again, how many other travel engines out there do that? So, price match guarantee, earn points towards future travel. It's a great way to save. Lastly, ID Defender. Okay. If you've ever heard of the company or service called LifeLock, where they basically put a vault on your personal information, that's exactly what ID Defender is. It's also a 2-for-1 product because with ID Defender, you also get legal advice and you get huge discounts on legal services. So this is a great way for you to not only get great legal advice, also have access to literally thousands of lawyers at a great discount, but you also get to protect your personal information to make sure that you do not get scammed ever again. So those are the services and products that are available with myEcon at the specific levels. Now, let's dive into the members area and I'll show you where and how you can access these once you activate your membership. So this is your myEcon back office or myEcon members area. And specifically, the screen that you're looking for here says BMC Home. Okay. So basically, this is your business center. This is where all of your information is. And it's really easy to access these products and services that I just shared with you because they're literally all right here. Okay, you have your W-4 correction, you have your credit system, your travel membership, Defender Plus, which is your ID Defender, debt elimination, and then you can just scroll through the carousel here and see the different things that you can access. And again, you get this right when you activate your membership. They're going to plop you down here right into your members area, and then boom, your products and services are going to be right at your fingertips, and you can start using these instantly, like the travel site or ID Defender or the cash flow manager. Any of those products and services are available once you activate your membership. So that is as simple as it gets with myEcon, my friend. If you're looking to activate your membership and get started, link in the description down below. Also, if you want to see more about myself and our team and everything that we give you a whole done for you front end system again that has all of your training, an app where you could run your entire business from. We give you the funnels, we do the email marketing for you. We also give you viral content that you can use to start sharing your myEcon business. We make it really stupid simple for you to get out there and start sharing your business so people can get interested. So you don't have to do any of the selling and telling. You don't have to worry about what to say, when to say it, how to say it. You don't have to go old school, invite people to three-way calls or pitch to your friends and family. You don't have to do any of that old school stuff. We have the right way that's working right now in 2024. And we are literally bringing on hundreds of new members to our team every single week, and they're using the simple strategies that we share. So if you want more on that, again, link in the description down below. If you have any questions for me, I sent you my phone number right at the top of this video. You can go ahead and send me a text message or hit the links below and get yourself started. If you made it to this point in the video, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button. It really does help the channel out. Go ahead and ring that bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new content, whether it be about myEcon or anything else that I'm else doing here to make money online. Thank you for watching, my friend. I appreciate you. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.